Haitian Voodoo, a term that often sends shivers down the spine of those unfamiliar with its true nature. The very name evokes a sense of mystery and fear, conjuring images of dark rituals and malevolent magic. It conjures images of dark rituals and malevolent magic, often depicted in popular culture as something sinister and dangerous. But these are misconceptions, fueled by ignorance and prejudice. The reality of Haitian Voodoo is far removed from these dark portrayals. Haitian Voodoo, in its true essence, is a vibrant religion. It is a rich tapestry of beliefs and practices that have been passed down through generations. It is a way of life for millions, deeply intertwined with the daily lives and cultural identity of the Haitian people. It is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, showcasing the strength and unity of communities in the face of adversity. Voodoo is often portrayed as something sinister, something to be feared. Hollywood has not helped with its sensationalized depictions.